Okay, so I'm actually getting ready to do an updated tour of the store because after the holidays, I changed a bunch of stuff, learned a lot of things, and so I've been loving doing the short wig with the clip-on ponytail, so I thought, well, I have to do that anyway. Why don't I just do it with you guys, and then you can see exactly how I do it. So that's what we're doing, okay? So the first thing is I brought in like my matte powder stuff. Man, I am like beyond shiny all the time. So let's just go ahead and take that down a hair. I've been meaning to bring this into the store because I film and then I'm like, oh, you're so shiny. Okay, so we're going to use Mellow, Aesthetica's Mellow in the color R4 as the wig. And then I'm going to use the Rene Paris Ready to Wear Clip-On Ponytail in the dark brown, the wavy version. So I'm just going to put on my wig cap. This is the Milano wig grip cap. You can get this on my website. It's my favorite one. It's what I wear all the time. All right, and then I'm gonna comb it into the spot that I want. And this one I can do like a twist. So if you didn't see the video, I showed using Raquel Welch's Unfiltered, which is a little bit shorter, which worked, but I had to do a lot of pinning and stuff. This Mellow is long enough for me to sort of do like a French twist with it. So I like to comb the side so that it makes sure that it does cover the edge. Like sometimes when you pull it back, I just want to make sure that the edge is covered. And I'll probably pull out some tendrils. So I'm going to pull this to the back of the nape, okay? And I want the ponytail like kind of right here. Oh, I should probably get a mirror. So I want it to be like right there. So I'm going to go ahead and twist it. Like in a little twisty up, French twisty. Not an actual French twist, but you know what I mean. And then I'm going to use the claw clip, and then we'll fix the side that fell loose. So this actually needs to be combed. So I'm going to actually comb it after I put it in. Normally I would comb it, but I don't want to. You know what? I think I have a hair clip here. I'm just going to put a clip and hold that because we need to detangle our stuff. I don't want to give you bad examples. I start from the bottom and then work the way up. These are heat safe and I really love them a lot. This is the wavy version and then there is a straight version. And then look how nice it goes right back. Right on back. Now we're back in business. So, I'm going to take this clip out, do my little twist. Check the position in the mirror. And then this is a big claw clip. Let's check it out. Oh, that's so cute. I kind of like that it's bunchy here because like when you do your hair up like this, it would often look like that. Is this hair? Oh, this is the hair from the wig. Let me just tuck that in so you don't see the ends of the wig where I twisted it up. Then I make sure that this is flat down this nape, and I kind of pull some of the hair down a little bit so that I make sure that the nape doesn't get exposed. Oh yeah. This is the drawstring part, so I'll tuck that in too. All right, let's tuck in the drawstring, and then we'll do the front. I'm actually going to do the front, and to tuck in the drawstring, I just open up the claw clip a little bit and just stick it in there. And then for the front, I think I'm going to actually use some of the Beauty Mark like shaping cream to kind of hold it, and then a little bit of wig wax. So let me get those two things. This is the Beauty Mark shaping cream. I'm just going to use like the littlest bit. Do not use a ton of this. Work it into your fingertips and then kind of use it like sparingly. The nice thing is like, say you want one side to be a little tighter, you can just push it against the clip and then just like move it over on the claw clip. You don't have to like readjust everything. And I'm going to use my wig wax. Some people ask like, why do I leave my ear out sometimes? I'm hard of hearing, so sometimes I do that because I like to help me hear better, honestly. So that's intentional. And I just like my ponytails to kind of come in the front. I just think it looks really cute, and I like to kind of just like spread it out a little bit. And there we go. I think we're all good. So yeah, this is what I've been doing lately because I do like the ponytail thing. I just think this is less cumbersome than putting a wig in a ponytail. It just feels less bulky and it looks to me a little bit more natural. So I've been doing it lately, so I figured if I was going to do it, I could just show you a tutorial with a different wig since I did it before and the wig is a little bit shorter. So one that's a little bit longer, you can see how you can do that. Just going to give a little finishing touch. And yeah, if you like these types of videos, let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to check out down below to join our private Facebook group, sign up for my newsletter, all the things. Visit me on tmwigs.com to get all of the things that you've seen. And I will see you so soon. Bye.